Hey guys, this is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered Belch King, that's right. And today, I'm gonna go back to my roots. For you guys who have been following me for a while, you know that Pepsi is my favorite drink of all time. And so today, I'm gonna down this whole damn bottle of Pepsi Zero, and I'm gonna try to beat Dr. Pepper's record of 44 belches in one bottle. That's right. So, without further ado, here we go, baby. 44 is the number to beat. Ah, yes, I remember this smell. Ah, back to the roots, baby. One. That was easy. Two. Three. Four. Five. Now, burp-wise, belch-wise, Pepsi is better than Mountain Dew, which is kind of weird, you know? But hey, it is what it is. What are we up now? 5? All right. What have you guys been doing recently? 6. Me? 7. I've been drinking Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, doing videos, trying to, have fun and make you laugh. And guys, 8. Don't forget, like, subscribe, write to me, tell me what you think, what you want, what kind of videos you like or don't like, whatever. I answer all. Nine, baby. 9. Get it? 9. My second favorite number. 10 after 4. 11. 12. So yeah, guys, recently I've had a lot of new subscribers. That's cool. I totally appreciate it. We're at 116 or so. That's awesome. And as soon as we reach 200, I will do another sweepstakes where I will give something away for free, autographed by me, the freak, just like you saw in a couple of videos that I did earlier this year, where my two biggest fans, Squid and Ellipsis, both won something from me. But to do so, I need more subscribers. But that is kind of up to you guys. You know why? Because I want you guys, new subscribers, old subscribers, I lost count. I lost count. I have 13. Yeah, 13. I need everybody who sees this video to talk to their friends about me so that they watch the videos and subscribe, and that way we create this great chain reaction of new subscribers. So as I said, as soon as we reach 200, somebody out there will win something autographed by me, and that's pretty damn cool, And eventually, when we reach, let's say, 500 or maybe 1,000, I'll see, 14. I might even go and visit one of my fans, as a, the winner of a sweepstakes. That would be cool. But to do that, I need subscribers, baby. 15, 16, 17, 18. We're at 18. I'm halfway through the bottle. 19, 20, 21. I love this slow release of belches, guys. What are we at? 21, 22? I forgot. I'm still losing my mind, guys. You know why? For the same goddamn reason that I lost my mind in the last video, which is I haven't gotten laid in like a few months, guys, and I'm still looking for that adult industry opportunity, right? So don't forget, guys, if you watch this video and know somebody who works in the adult film industry, 23, give me a shout out. 24, because I need to get laid and I want to 25, 26, 27. Like to work in that industry, and hey man, maybe my sanity is gonna come back. 27. Wait a minute. All right. 27. And I'm halfway through. Pepsi Zero might actually beat Dr. Pepper. Might be the new champion here. And that's why Pepsi is at the root of all belches, baby. 27, 44 is the number to beat. 28, 29. Yeah, baby. Pepsi. 30, the choice of all belchers. 30, and I got this much left. Oh. 31. That was pretty cool, man. Oh. 32. 30. 43, 33, 44 to beat. 11 to go. With this much, I think we're going to have a new champion, guys. Pepsi Zero. 34! 34! 34! 34! Now, how about every single week I should do a belch challenge, to see with a new soda, to see which one gives the biggest and the most belches of all time. That's a good idea. So, Dr. Pepper, the current champion, is at 44. Last week we did what? Mountain Dew Baja Blast. I think we went up to 20 or 22 or something like that. 34! So, Mountain Dew Baja Blast, man, was very average for belches, but this Pepsi Zero, guys, has a chance. 35! 36! 37! Slow release. 37! That's a sudden belch. Sudden belch! Oh. 38! Oh. 39! Ooh. That tasted like bile, dude. That's not cool. What was that now? 38, 39? Gotta be tight. 40! 41! Oh yeah, we got a new champion, man. 42! 43! Guys, we will have a new champion right here, right now. Pepsi Zero. 42 now, right? Unless I miscounted somewhere. Could happen because I'm going nuts, man. I'm telling you, I need to get laid. It's not it's not even funny. What are we at now? 42? All right, so I need 3 more, huh? 3 more burps to beat the record. 43. 44! And what a big belch that was. And yes, guys, we will have a new champion right here, right now. 45! 45! The new champion, Pepsi Zero, guys. New belch champion of all time. Dr. Papa is number 2 now. 45. Slow release. 46. Ooh, another bile belch. 47. Anyway. 48. Guys, 48 belches with one bottle of Pepsi Zero. Then you current belch champion. I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. 49. This is your pal. 50. 50. 50 belches. This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered Belch King, saying I'll see ya next week with another belch video.